Feel like a do-it-yourself project that will really improve the look of your home and make it easier to live in? Well, installing Tarkett fiber floor is a project you can do yourself, and we'll show you how. Tarkett fiber floor is beautiful, practical, tough, and life-resistant. Perfect for rooms with floors that get wet, such as bathrooms and laundry rooms, because nothing stands up better to water and moisture. Plus, the Tarkett fiber floor protection system adds cushion and protects against scuffs, scratches, and indentations. That's why it's backed by one of the best warranties in the industry.
I hate getting out of the shower and stepping onto the cold floor. Plus, we wanted something in here that was a little more attractive and could withstand the water from getting out of the tub. We decided to go with the Tarkett fiber floor because it's warmer, softer, we like the design, and it's water resistant.
Tarkett fiber floor is easy to install in just a few simple steps and with just a few tools. So let's get started. We'll show you the basics, but be sure to refer to the installation manual or go online for complete instructions. Here's what you'll need: a utility knife with a straight and hooked blade, a tape measure, an undercut saw, a carpenter square, and a straight edge. First, undercut the door molding so the flooring can slide easily underneath. Now, sweep or vacuum to remove any dirt and debris. Measure the room to determine the size of the first piece of flooring. Remember to include any alcoves, closets, and doorways. Now measure and trim the flooring, allowing an extra few inches of material for trimming. Then place the flooring squarely within the room, parallel to the walls. Make relief cuts at all the outside and inside corners, and around any other objects, such as pipes. Then trim any excess material around the walls, leaving about a 1/4 inch gap between the wall and the flooring, until the flooring is laying flat. This gap will be covered later by quarter-round molding. At any room transition area, you'll need to trim the fiber floor flush against the adjoining floor, or, if there's a threshold piece, leave enough flooring to fit under it. Then cut around the door moldings. Follow the same steps for any closet areas. Next, let's secure the flooring next to the tub. First, fold back the flooring and apply double-sided tape to the substrate. Roll the tape and remove the release liner. Lay the flooring back into place and roll. Then caulk along the tub edge. Finally, install quarter-round molding and enjoy your beautiful new room thanks to Tarkett fiber floor.
What a difference the Tarkett fiber floor makes. It's warmer and a lot softer than our old floor. We really like the look. And I don't have to worry about water damaging the floor when I step out of the shower because it's water resistant.
From installation through years of worry-free enjoyment, Tarkett fiber floor is the natural choice for homeowners who desire durability and beauty.